Ladies and gentlemen, keep conversing on social media using our hashtag EHA 2025 days of Power Pack panel, 180 plus speakers, and 100 plus awards daily between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. August 31st to the 4th of September. You can catch us live on facebook.com/BW Hotelier and on bwhotelier.com. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, now is the moment we've been all waiting for. The much awaited awards ceremony, 5th BW Hotelier Indian Hospitality Awards 2020. Today, we'll be recognizing the best of the Indian Hospitality East Zone. BW Hotelier's Indian Hospitality Awards today will be given away to the most deserving executives of the industry selected by the leaders of their profession. The awards cover all the areas of the hotel, from the GM's office to the executive chef's domain to the IT manager's desk. The phase one of the selected process included inviting nominations online. The entries were vetted by eminent jury panels which deliberated on the final winners in a sit-down physical jury meet. From the house of BW Business World, the BW Hotelier Indian Hospitality Awards is a jury-led process wherein the entries have come via a dual route of self-nomination, viewers. The jury consisted of some of the leading names, ladies and gentlemen, from the hospitality industry. Well, the jury, we'd like to thank the eminent East jury members. First up, East Jury Chair, Sandeep Mukherjee, Director, Hospitality Techno India Group and Sister Nivedita University, Kolkata. Thank you. Nishit Srivastava, Principal, IHM, Kolkata. We've got Ashok Anantram, Senior Advisor, AK Milsani and Associates LLP. We've got Partha Chatterjee, Strategic Business Consultant, and Sean Kenworthy, Chef, Restaurant Consultant, Food and Travel Writer. Well, let's quickly have a look at what our jury has to say. May I have the jury AV, please?
To do a sort of an award program, and that too BWIHA, which everyone looks forward to in a big way. And no doubt you are the established and the best of the best awards that all hoteliers and all hospitality personnel look forward to. It's commendable on your part, despite the fact that people are going through extremely trying times. You had a very fair selection, probably, as I was told, the highest ever numbers that came in for East in the 5th edition of BW Hotelier Indian Hospitality Summit, Indian Hospitality. And yes, it's time for reimagining. It's been very good.
My experience this time with Business World Hotelier, the entire process and the way the professionalism with movie and the entire team has shown, it has been a very, very invigorating experience. And everybody has to reimagine the way they go ahead. So I personally feel that the theme, the concept, and the people who are working behind this, it is really commendable, and I wish you all the best, even in the future. Way the nominations have come in, and the detail and the effort which the people have put in throughout the country shows of the quality of and the respect which the industry has for this hotelier summit and award ceremony.
We all are looking for the recognition, and when we look for the recognition, these are the platform where our abilities and others, so all the hoteliers are getting a platform where they can reach to the tier. And when I jury and the regional juries, you have chosen the gem of the industry. All the luminaries, all the legends of the industry is the part of the national jury. All the applications going through in detail of each and every questions and the discussions. And then this is something very, very making this award more and more transparent and ethical, and as well as without any bias, all the members are discussing. So that is the best part.
The process is incredible, actually. In fact, it's one of the toughest selection processes as far as jury meets that I've ever been involved in, realistically. I think it's a great opportunity now to take a look at the industry, take a look at what we're all doing, try and change that. I think we've all had lots of time to think about how we move forward from now on as far as business is concerned. I think there are great opportunities in the future.
So, well, ladies and gentlemen, we are so much obliged to our esteemed jury for leading their expertise to the selection process. Out of all the entries received, we have selected the winners today. Please do celebrate and post on social using the hashtag IHA2020. Before that, we would like to once again thank our partners who've made this event possible. Our associate partner, first up, Blue Star. Can we have the Blue Star AV, please?
Customers from across India and the world have been leaning on us for over 75 years. Blue Star, built on trust.
Well, thank you so much, Blue Star. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our beverage partners, we'd like to thank Beanly, and our knowledge partners, Indian School of Hospitality. Could we have the Indian School of Hospitality's AV, please? So, well, ladies and gentlemen, we are also proud to be associated with our industry partners, HPMF, OSIM, HOSTREMAI, IWS, GHTP, IFAT, NRAI, MEPA, and LCOI. Well, I would request now Dr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief, BW Business World, and Mr. Bhuvnesh Khanna, the CEO, BW Communities, and Jury Chair, Sandeep Mukherjee, Director, Hospitality Techno India Group, and Sister Nivedita University, Kolkata, to come on the stage to commence the awards ceremony. Well, if I may request, thank you once again for joining us. And may I request Dr. Anurag Bhattacharya first to address?
Hi, can you hear me? Congratulations
Yes.
On a very successful conference. It's very engaging and very thought-provoking point of views raised. So, anyway, so let's get into the awards. We've watched the AV.
Could we have some words from you? So, well, ladies and gentlemen, for the Hotel Manager of the Year goes to Sabrina Pujade. Could we request Sabrina to come on the stage and say a few words? Congratulations, Sabrina Pujade from JW Marriott, Kolkata. Over to you, Sabrina. Sabrina, please go ahead.
You'll have to unmute yourself.
You have to unmute yourself, Sabrina. Yes, please.
I
Go
beg your
ahead.
pardon, yes. Thank you so very much, everyone, for this amazing recognition. I couldn't feel better. This isn't really the easiest of years, as all of us know, especially for the hospitality industry. But I must thank BW Hotelier for giving so much of encouragement and hope to hoteliers across different companies and across different genres. Besides that, of course, I'd like to thank my amazing team for always standing beside me, and for the leadership in Marriott for resting their faith in me. Thank you so much.
That's so sweet. Congratulations, Sabrina.
Congratulations, Sabrina. You've
Thank
done
you very
well.
much. Thank you.
And you've come through various levels in the jury, from various vetting sessions. So this, you've truly been a worthy winner.
Thank you very much. I'm honored. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you once again. And we've got Nishit Srivastava, one of our jury members, also joining us. Thank you so much, Nishit, for joining us on that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, also the Hotel Manager of the Year also goes to Kaushik Pandit. So Kaushik Pandit from Lemon Tree Hotel Gangtok is going to be joining us. Congratulations, Kaushik Pandit. This is incredible. Well done. So we have the winner, AV, and before that, could we have Kaushik as well to join us on the screen? Do we have Kaushik out here? Congratulations, Kaushik Pandit, Lemon Tree Hotel Gangtok, Hotel Manager of the Year. Do we have Kaushik joining us? Okay, I believe let's go to the next category. Ladies and gentlemen, now for DSM of the Year. And the winner is, could we have the winner, AV, please? And it goes to Abhishek Roy right there.
Hi,
Thank you.
Yeah, hi Abhishek, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Abhishek.
Thank you.
So
Well done, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Thank
Very
you.
well.
Congratulations, Abhishek. Thank you.
Yeah.
A lot of hard work, evident in the results that you showed. Great, a year for you. Tremendous amount of work that shows to you, and of course, you have had a brand change this year. I know that, and that was a lot of work. It was a pleasure looking at your application from all of us over here, and kudos to your GM Saurabh also. Please tell him from our side. Wonderful, great job done. Keep it up.
So could we hear from you, Abhishek, on winning the DFM of the year? How does it feel?
First of all, a very good evening to all the distinguished speakers, honorable jury, and my colleagues from the fraternity. I'm both privileged and honored to have received this recognition of this GOSM of this year East for actually doing what is a way of life for me per se and not a job. This is what I've experienced as an ethos while working as a part of Indian Hotels Company Limited. I remain grateful and extremely humbled for this exposure and platform, and I take this moment to actually pledge my continued contribution to this industry, redefining frontiers and reimagining opportunities in the years to come in my very little own way. So thank you once again, BW Hotelier, for bestowing your faith in me and for this virtual reality. Cheers.
We did not bestow faith in you. You actually won it, right? By sheer merit and absolute grit, right? So you're a worthy winner who's come through many levels.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you, and once again, congratulations, Abhishek. So, ladies and gentlemen, now for the Executive Chef of the Year, could we have the winner, AV, please? And yes, we've got jointly won by Prakash Chettiar from JW Marriott, Kolkata. And we've got Santosh Sahu, Mayfair, Lagoon, Bhubaneswar. So first up, Prakash, congratulations. Could we have a few words from you, please? Prakash Chettiar.
Chef Chettiar.
Thank you so much. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Go
Thank you
ahead.
so much, sir, for the opportunity. And it's a great platform for all the. Yeah, it's a great platform for all the chefs and all the hoteliers. I mean, it's an absolute honor and privilege to be part of this, elite hospital professionals. I'd like to thank BW for the nomination, as well as the fact that I was selected as a winner. It's a great honor in my 20 years of culinary experience. I would like to thank JW Marriott culinary team, and a lot of senior chefs have helped me reach where I have today. And it gives me, I've got nothing but absolute gratitude, for the things which is coming out during this time of pandemic. I continuous support for my family in doing, trying to be with me and some long days and nights out there. I'm looking forward that, BW's hotel will bring a lot of more positive vibes and energy, which this industry desperately needs at this point of time. And I'm sure this is going to do a lot of good to us. I just heard the talk with all these senior leaders in the morning and the afternoon. Of course, the chef with Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and all. Absolutely elated. And hopefully, I'll be able to meet each one of you in person. I'd like to thank. It's a big honor for me, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Remember the brand. Remember the brand is BW Hotelier.
Okay, absolutely. BW Hotelier.
Yeah.
Well done, Chef.
Thank you so
much.
And
Congrats.
Both of you are joint winners, right? So
Both the chefs.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chef Sahu.
And Chef Sahu also. Yes.
Congratulations, Prakash.
Chef Sahu.
We hope someday we can,
Yes.
soon we can get your magic. We experienced it firsthand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Travel things change, and I'm sure they'll change.
Chef Sahu.
Chef Sahu, a few words, please.
Namaskar all. This is Chef Santosh. I'm the executive chef of Mayfair Lagoon, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. This is the largest F&B-based hotel in the eastern part of India. I would give many thanks to Mr. Saubhagya Mahapatra, the Executive Director of Mayfair Group of Hotel, Mr. Devan Majumdar, the Vice President, Assistant Vice President of Mayfair Lagoon, Mr. Nishar Ahmed, Corporate Chef. I would like everyone to support me to achieve this nomination. And thank you to all my colleagues, my senior, my junior, everyone who are nominated the BMW Hotelier Awards.
BMW
BMW Hotel, sorry. BMW Hotelier.
BMW भेज देना मेरे को 7 सीरीज भेजना मगर सौभाग्य को बोल देना सौभाग्य दादा को कि खन्ना मांग रहा था BMW 7 सीरीज anyway बोलो
Chef Sahu, congratulations, BW Hotelier.
Chef Sahu, you are the chef of one of the finest hotels that I've been to. Mayfair Lagoon is one of my favorite hotels, right? And I will be coming back to you for a vegetarian meal. Right?
Sure, sir.
Along with our Sandeep, Nishit, everybody.
So that's a warning, chef, because coming to East and looking for vegetarian food and not prawns and lobsters and fish, you got to be careful. Now, and you'll do it, I know. And Bhuvnesh has always been telling me he holds your hotel in very high esteem. He, in fact, compares it to Club Med. He's often told us about that. And we are very glad that Mayfair could put its, name on the map, and BW Hotelier, as you know, I mean, you're being selected amongst that. So congratulations, well done. We went through application, menu engineering, regional food, wonderful. What you have talked about there.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Chef.
Superb.
So thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd like to thank Nishit Srivastava for joining us. And we're going to be having another jury member also who's going to be joining in on that as well. So ladies and gentlemen, for that now our next...
I'm saying, yeah.
Yes, Sandeep.
I just did namaste to Nishit.
Yes. Thank you for that. So Sandeep Mukherjee just made an exit, and we're going to be requesting, we're having Sandeep out here. We're going to be requesting Partha also hopefully to join in, Partha Chatterjee.
Sure.
Also now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the Executive Housekeeper of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? Well, the Executive Housekeeper of the Year, Nishant Kumar from JW Marriott, Kolkata. Congratulations. Well, congratulations, Nishant, for winning the Executive Housekeeper of the Year, JW Marriott, Kolkata. I would request everyone to just keep the other screen on mute, just in case you're watching it on parallel screen.
Please mute your screen button.
Yes, please. So I'd like a moment to get our winner, Nishant Kumar, to join us on the stage. Nishant, you'll have to just keep the other window off so that you can just talk to us from one window. Nishant, over to you. Congratulations. Please unmute yourself, Nishant.
Namaste, everyone. Thank you so much, BW Hotelier, for the recognition. It means the world to me. I would like to thank Marriott International for providing the right culture, which enables me to express my professional abilities to the 100% and bring out the best in me. This award for sure is the recognition for the hard work provided by my team and the support from my friends and family. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and once again, congratulations, Nishant, on that. Ladies and gentlemen, we also joined in. Yes, please.
Well done. In fact, a small word coming in from Calcutta and how we did the selection. Partha, namaskar. Good to see you. All of us, when we sat down, when we sat down over here, see, this hotel is a large hotel, as we all know, over here. And 20th of May, 170 kilometers per hour, we had what we call Amphan. And in 300 years, it hasn't happened over here. So call us lucky, unlucky, call us whatever, we went through the ordeal. This particular hotel had its frontal shattered. There are people like Nishant who stayed overnight for months, for weeks, and they have brought it back. Couple of days later, it was shattered. Couple of weeks back, it was magic, Nishant. Wonderful job. Great job done, apart from whatever else you wrote and whatever else you have done. We acknowledge that and we are grateful, you know. You are a true hotelier.
Thank you.
Wonderful job. Well done.
Partha, your work.
Rajneesh, would you like to congratulate Nishant, and possibly we can go to the next award.
Well done again.
Thank you once again, Nishant.